Hi, my name is Julie and I'm a primary school teacher from South East London. I was interested in voiceovers because over the years of being a teacher and I'm speaking to children and speaking to parents, people have always commented that I had a nice voice. And so I just thought to myself, what could I do with it? What would the options be for me to use my voice other than in teaching? I thought the workshop was really entertaining, to be honest, and it was really nice to have the opportunity to meet other people who wanted to use their voice as well. And the host of the course, the workshop, was very informative and he gave lots of really good feedback. And we had to go around and everyone had to kind of read a script. And the first person who did it, I thought you just had to read it and that would be it. But she had to do it at least 3 or 4 times and she was given tips and improvements each time. And as it went round the table, everybody got advice. And so when it came to my own turn, I was able to apply some of the things that I'd learned from the other people. But even still, when I had my turn, I was given different ways to try and perform the script, and it really helped. I think the best moment for me was when there were 2 moments that I really liked. There was one where we had to try and speak with a cork in our mouth to help with our enunciation, but then I liked doing that, but I also liked it when we had to choose our own script and perform it for the rest of the group. And it was, I felt a bit nervous, even though I do assemblies at school with 300 or 400 children sitting there in the room full of adults kind of watching it. It was a bit nerve-wracking, but it was good at the same time because their response to my performance was really nice. I think voiceover is a kind of work that anyone can do because in today's society we need to reflect everyone, and so there's no voice that's not needed. So I think if you feel that you have a voice that's different, then go for it. I think if you were considering doing voice acting, this would be a good place to start, especially if you have no experience, because you learn what you can do with your voice and the kind of industries you could work with. And also it gives you tips of how to get started in that career if that's what you're choosing to do.